It just sucks because out of this whole shop, this is the whole area I have to work on this quad right here. I mean, literally, this is it. But I'm gonna have to pull this carburetor off now and pull that all apart. I got the gas tank over there or somewhere, and I got to reline it. Now these two batteries, that's the regular battery down in there, and this is the one I was helping it with. Unfortunately, like a dipshit, I left the two on each other over the weekend, and they burned each other out. Guess what? Surprise! They burned each other out. That's what I do. That's what I'm good at. So anyway, other than that, then I got this problem here with this thermostat housing.